but I'll bet you can't guess where we're having martinis tonight. If you've ever seen our channel, you know we like having drinks at the Wynn, whether it's on the casino floor, at Sinatra's, at the Parasol Up, or on the cocktail deck by the Lake of Dreams. The Wynn has so many places to enjoy cocktails, but here's one that we've never done before. Room service cocktails turned out to be a great choice because it wound up being a rainy night in Vegas. And here is an espresso martini and a chocolate martini.
We're calling this Martinis After Dark.
No, we're not.
Welcome to another episode. When you can't get the martinis, you have the martinis brought to you.
Can't lead a Mindy to the bar.
It's my emotional bar. My emotional service animal alcohol. Oh.
You spilled a martini. We're gonna have to cut out the part where she licks it up.
That smells good. That smells really good. Well, you want to cheers and try these?
Alright. I think
Chocolate and espresso
would be the next step.
delivered to your room. I wonder how many they would bring you. Ooh, that's good. And there's a little chocolate swirled in the glass for me.
That's good.
Hey, let me try yours.
No.
Chocolate one's really good. I wonder if they would send a bartender up to your room.
They will send anything you want up to your room for the right price. I think those would be good if we mix the two of them together.
Here. I'll mix them in my mouth.
I'll mix them in my tummy and you can enjoy them later.
We have a great view. We're overlooking the Lake of Dreams. There's a show coming on.
There's a show coming on. You won't be able to see it because the lights are on.
Cue the lights. Alexa, turn the lights out. It's magic. Alexa, get me a bartender.
Lady A from iHeartRadio.
What? No, Alexa, shut up. Alexa, go home, you're drunk.
At home, I could help you with that. That isn't available on this
I
device.
bet she could.
Alexa, stop talking to the drunk lady.
There is no active call.
What are we watching? It's Marshmallow.
Marshmallow Jackass.
I've never seen this one. This is really good. Room service martinis.
Yep.
Why doesn't everybody do this?
They weren't a bad price either, were they?
No, they were $18. I mean, it's how much you pay for a drink.
$18 for a martini.
Brought to your
And
room.
the room service was very good.
24-hour room service at the Wynn. That's why we love it here.
We decided to stay in on our last night in Vegas.
We were too lazy to go out. We just had the food brought to us.
And boy, it looks good.
There's a lot of it. We didn't realize how big it was.
Yeah, we could have shared either one of these.
Yeah.
We got lasagna and a pizza with steak and mushrooms. And we'll come back in a few minutes to tell you how it was. It's raining.
It's really windy out there.
Glad we're not sitting out on the patio.